Tropical storm Allison has developed over the western Gulf of Mexico. This statement applies to the residents of Brazoria, Chambers, Galveston, Harris, Liberty and Matagorda counties. A tropical storm warning is in effect from Sargent, Texas to Morgan City, Louisiana. A flash flood watch is in effect for areas generally east of the Brazos River. A high wind warning is in effect for areas east of a Livingston to Conroe line. Galveston County, voluntary evacuation on the west end of Galveston Island. Bolivar Ferry is closed. Brazoria County, voluntary evacuation for Surfside. Remaining counties should monitor the situation until Tropical Storm Allison is well inland. At 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Tropical Storm Allison was making landfall on Galveston Island. Allison is moving north at 12 miles per hour. This motion is expected to continue for the next 24 hours. On this track, Allison will cross Galveston County and East Harris County by 9 p.m. then move over Montgomery, San Jacinto and Polk counties. Maximum sustained winds are near 60 miles per hour with higher gusts. This makes Allison a strong tropical storm. Tides are currently running 3.0 to 4.5 feet. Maximum tidal surge of 4.0 to 5.0 feet is forecast. At Galveston Pleasure Pier, the peak tide was 5.0 feet, at the Galveston Channel 5.0 feet, in Port Bolivar 4.5 feet, in Jamaica Beach 3.5 feet, in Clear Lake 3.5 feet, in Morgan's Point 4.0 feet, at the San Luis Pass 3.0 feet, and at the Freeport 2.5 feet. At these forecast levels, parts of Highway 87 on the Bolivar Peninsula will become impassable, parts of Tauntville and Seabrook will become impassable. Also, some roads on the west end of Galveston Island and Surfside will flood. Rain bands will push inland tonight across portions of Brazoria, Chambers, Galveston, Harris and Liberty counties. Rainfall in these counties will average between 2 and 3 inches with isolated totals of 5 inches of rain possible by Wednesday morning. A flash flood watch is in effect for the eastern half of southeast Texas tonight. Fokker rains develop around the circulation center overnight. Heavier rainfall totals of 7 to 9 inches will be possible. Tropical storm force winds are already affecting coastal portions of Brazoria, Chambers and Galveston counties. Expect winds of 50 to 60 miles per hour along and to the east of the track. This pocket of high winds will affect Galveston Island and communities along Galveston Bay between 4 and 9 p.m. this evening. Tropical storm force wind speeds are forecast to decrease overnight as Allison moves inland. Tropical storm force winds will affect parts of Harris and Liberty counties around mid-evening, then decrease by midnight. As the center of Allison pushes inland tonight, high winds will also affect inland areas of southeast Texas generally along and east of a Livingston to Conroe line. The next hurricane local statement will be issued around 10 p.m. tonight.